Welcome to the Eugin Clinic. I'm Dr. Abram, and in this presentation I'm going to explain how an artificial reproduction treatment works. The first step is to make an initial visit with the doctor in order to assess your case. In accordance with your medical history and the clinical exams, he will then select and explain the indicated technique to help you to achieve a pregnancy. The necessary medical tests can be done in our clinic on the day of your first visit, or, if you prefer, you can bring us the results. For treatments using donor eggs, in order to be able to transfer an embryo to the uterus, it is necessary to prepare the endometrium with a hormonal treatment. The duration of this treatment can range between 15 to 45 days. During this time, we will assign a donor with the same physical characteristics, blood group, and genetic compatibility. Once the donor eggs have been obtained, each of them will be injected with previously selected sperm. If donor sperm is needed, it is selected by the medical team based on the physical characteristics of your partner or yours if you're a single woman. In addition, sperm donors undergo a very careful and thorough screening process to meet all necessary medical criteria for donation. After fertilization of the eggs, the generated embryos will be assessed and the best moment for their transfer to the uterus is determined. The embryo transfer itself is a simple procedure that takes only about 5 minutes to complete. There is no anesthesia or recovery time needed. The transfer involves inserting the embryos through the vagina with a thin catheter in order to place them in the endometrium. The procedure is ultrasound guided. Immediately after the transfer, you can leave the clinic and have a normal life. After 14 days, you should perform a pregnancy test. The pregnancy rates with this technique are independent of the woman's age. We hope this presentation has been useful to you, and we are at your disposal if you need any more information. Both the medical and patient care team will be delighted to answer your questions at any time. We'd also like to remind you that during treatment, you have a team of psychologists that can provide support whenever you need it. Kind regards and see you soon.